Hey guys, I came out here to check out this work. I made videos here last month that were my most heavily disliked videos that I've ever posted. The gist of a lot of them is that the water line replacement that the city of Clarksburg water board has to undergo is going to cost the city of Clarksburg a lot of money, whether they like it or not. For example, I know that the water board paid $108,000 for excavating this about 400 feet. I don't know if that's just their lane or if it's both lanes. I do know that when I looked at OpenGov's site, the sewer department has already blown through its annual paving budget. In the first 3 months of the fiscal year, they blew past their annual budget. And in the city manager's report, they said there's 370 feet of line was replaced. He didn't say that it was here, but that's where it was. You know, assuming that the water board does their part and puts the street back as well as they can, they're going to have to do it 4,800 times, and that's going to have spillover effects. You know, 5,000 here, 10,000 there. Expense to the street or sewer departments adds up over time. There's one other thing in the city manager's report on Friday that really stood out and really drives this home. There's $1 million charge in there. $1 million for the sewer department to develop a program for removing orthophosphate from the water. Orthophosphate has been added at the orders of the EPA to Clarksburg's water to prevent the lead mains and galvanized mains that we have from leaching any further. But it can't be put back in the river. It has to be replaced, and that is 100% the responsibility of the city of Clarksburg. So that 6.3 million, $1 million of it's already gone, and they didn't get to choose whether or not they wanted to spend it. In my opinion, they need to be meeting project managers, the water board, and just get some idea of how much this is actually going to cost the city and secondary cost. That should be done before they proceed on to all their would like to haves. They need to address the things they absolutely have to do. Have a blessed Sunday, and I'll holler at you later.